Today's module will discuss how to add employers into the H2A database. We'll start by clicking on our desktop shortcut. Now, let's say that the list that you currently have doesn't contain the employer that you want to add a form to. So if that's the case, just click on Add Employer right below View Profile. Now, since I'm using the template version of the database, your individual database may not look the same way that mine does. And that's all right. The structure of the form and the structure of the database is going to be largely the same. Also note that the Finder box, if you have one on your form, contains information from the old H2A database and the old MSFW database, so it will have very little of use to you now. You'll probably end up having to manually add things in. So let's do that right now. The name, my name as the contact, and a little bit more information. Also, please note that if your name is not on inspector, or there's a name missing on outreach staff, let your supervisor or the supervisor of the MSFW program know, and we will get it on there. The same if there is a misspelling or a county missing. And that should pretty much be enough for our test profile. Now remember, in order to finalize your test profile, you need to click Make New Record. And you'll know that it works when the information you put in vanishes. So, when you click Make New Record, you can then click Close if you want to save your record. If you want to close without saving your record, simply click Close without clicking Make New Record. And then you'll notice that it's still not quite in there. Now, once we reload the form, we can do this either by exiting the database or, my preferred method, by pressing the F5 key on the keyboard. There it is, in alphabetical order into the in the list. So we can now access it. A profile has been made in the system based on our information, and everything should be where it should be.